In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a shopping wishlist system in Notion, and I'll guide you through using a free template that'll simplify the process. Whether you're an avid shopper or just want to organize your wishlist items, Notion provides a practical way to keep everything in one place. So, let's dive into the steps and set up your personalized wishlist quickly. First, head over to your Notion workspace where you manage your wiki, docs, and projects. You should see a clean and organized dashboard that Notion is famous for. If you haven't connected to a workspace yet, make sure you're signed up and logged in to Notion. Next, click on the Login button. It's typically located at the right-hand corner of the homepage. Once you've entered your credentials, it should take you to your Notion home where all your pages and workspaces are accessible. Once you're at the Notion home, you'll need to navigate to the Marketplace. You'll find this option in the side panel or at the top menu of your Notion interface. The Marketplace is a treasure trove of templates that you can use for various purposes, from project management to meal planning. Today, we'll be searching for a template specifically designed to help organize your shopping wish list. In the Marketplace, use the search bar to look for shopping wish list. You'll find several templates available, each with its own unique design and features. Browse through the selection to find one that suits your preferences. These templates are created by other users and Notion itself, offering a great starting point for personalizing your own system. Once you've identified a template that you like, click on it to explore what's included. Pay attention to the layout and any additional fields that might help you better organize your wish list. After confirming your choice, select the template to add it to your Notion workspace. This process is seamless and allows you to instantly start customizing the template as per your needs. Having added the template to your space, it's time for some customization. This is where you can let your creativity flow. Add categories like clothing, electronics, or books to segment your wishlist items. Use tags or checkboxes to track your priorities or mark items as purchased. With these steps, you've successfully built a shopping wishlist system in Notion using a free template. Not only is your wishlist now neatly organized, but it's also accessible on any device thanks to Notion's cloud capabilities. Feel free to tweak and adjust it as your needs evolve. Thank you for following along, and I hope this walkthrough makes managing your shopping wishlist both easy and enjoyable. Happy shopping!